Okay, here we are. Hello. We're gonna do now the ed sound, which is the ending for past tense on verbs. So our action words. And so the ed sounds have three different sounds. You got T, the D, which we're gonna do now, and the id. So here, you write these down. These are quite a few. When you hear these sounds at the end of a word, then we're going to change that ed to a D sound. So we got the B, the G, the V, the Z, the M, the N, the L, and the R, and then vowel sounds. So I'll give you a second to write all those down. Okay. All right, those are a lot of sounds to cover, but I'm going to give you some words to help you kind of put it all together. So here we go. Okay, so the first one is going to be the B sound. I'm going to push you. B. B. There's our B. Bob. Well, Bob. 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 Bobbed. Bobbed. Bd. 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 Bobbed. Blabbed. Bombed. Now, bombed isn't going to have that bd sound because the B is actually silent. So there is no real bomb d sound. It's just bombed, like an M. Curbed, disturbed, drabbed, grabbed, jabbed, lobbed, mobbed, nabbed, robbed, scrubbed. See, I'm not putting a real voice to it. Scrubbed, d, d, d. Maybe I am scrubbed, scrubbed. No, it's more mechanical. Scrubbed, scrubbed, scrubbed. Yeah, don't put a voice. Don't put a voice to it. Um, think of this one as more like your mouth is a drum. It's hollow, so it's going to be open, and that sound happens kind of automatically. Jab, yeah, jabbed, duh, jabbed. I keep adding my voice doing this. There's no voice. Jabbed. You just don't want to do jabbed. Don't do the T. Jabbed. Super soft. So there's just don't put a vocal to it, okay? It should happen naturally without a the sound. Let's see, where was I? Snubbed, stabbed, stubbed, throbbed. Okay, and so coming after a hard G, down in your throat, g, bag. So you don't even hear the part of it. Bag, bag. It's like a little click in the back. Bag, bag. This is really hard to explain. How to do that G. Bag, g. It's like we're doing a a g without the part of it. So bag, bag, bag. It's just your throat bag coming from a closed position to open. But now we're going to put a D on the end of it. Bagged, begged, bogged, bragged, dragged, flagged, hugged, jogged, lagged, logged, mugged, nagged, pegged, plugged, ragged, sagged, shrugged, slugged, snagged, tugged. See if I can do this any quieter. Bagged, begged, bogged, bragged, dragged, flagged, hugged, jogged, lagged, logged, mugged, nagged, pegged, plugged, ragged. That's not a good one. Sagged, shrugged, slugged, snagged, lugged. So you can get it softer, but in the beginning when you're learning how to do this, it's okay to try to hammer it out. You have to go lug, g, lug, lugged in order to get that sound that you can eventually soften it. We just need the mechanics to be there, okay? So it's okay if you're going good in the beginning, but then we need to hone that in, okay? All right, next one is the V. We're gonna work on the V and then go to the D. It's a vibration. Behaved, believed, carved, craved, deprived, dived, grieved, heaved, lived, loved, moved, proved, received, relieved, saved, shoved, waved. That's what happens when you speak a lot. You don't get any water. Okay. Waved. Coming in on the Z sound. Let's see. So, abuse, this vibration, zzz, abused, amazed, authorized, blazed, bruised, buzzed, capitalized, criticized, emphasized, energized, gazed, hazed, idolized, memorized, organized, paralyzed, realized, recognized, summarized. I'll get some water. I'm sorry. Okay. Now let's do the M and the N. Claim, always close your lips on the M, okay? That's how we get that sound. It's like a hum. You have to close, 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 close. Always, always, always on that M. Claimed, confirmed, condemned, deemed, dreamed, formed, named. It's like a little nasally, isn't it? Opened, planned, reigned, remained, screamed, seemed, slammed, stormed, trained, warned, zoomed. Okay, let's do the L. L and the R, and we'll do the L and the R combo. Still with the D ending. Called, chilled, crawled, dwelled, enrolled, filled, installed, labeled, modeled, altered, appeared, bothered, conquered, delivered, entered, get a T in the middle, entered, gathered, occurred, referred, remembered. And here's your vowel endings, okay? Final list. Agreed, allowed, annoyed, applied, argued, borrowed, carried, continued, delayed, employed, enjoyed, followed, glued, obeyed, played, replied, showed, tried, used. Ooh, that was a long list. So those are all of your D sounds on the end of end of words for the ed ending. So we have the T, the D, and the id. So I will do the id next. And thank you for putting up with my my dry my dry throat. English will it'll dry your throat out. And I heard one said if you are learning English and your face does not hurt afterwards, then you're doing it wrong. So keep that in mind. It's a workout for your face. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.